F-35B's Lightning II.
我们认识ครับ
Vertical landing modes of flight. Demonstration pilot today is Captain Ross Ready call sign Coil. The F-35B is capable of generating up to 40,000 pounds of thrust to take off via conventional or stowable modes. It is a multi-role aircraft produced by Lockheed Martin as a result of a multi-service, multinational effort currently spanning 3 U.S. services and 12 partner nations. The pilot is now setting up for a high-speed pass from the left. Features, the F-35's active electronically radar, and the aircraft's ability to carry weapons internally means the F-35 can engage targets at long ranges without detection. Watch as the pilot demonstrates the internal carriage capability on this next pass. Across the flight envelope. As the aircraft approaches, the pilot will now execute a minimum radius turn near show center, demonstrating the maneuverability and agility of the F-35B.
Excuse me, what? Excuse me, what? Request for them to play Danger Zone.
The department uses this
Yes.
program to provide a next